darling, beautiful, sexy, gorgeous Roccbox. Cut to Roccbox flame, boom. Yo, I'm Chris Roberts, aka Flamebaster. I'm standing here in wild North Wales. What a beautiful kitchen today. But with all these stunning ingredients in front of me, my mind has been transported back to early 90s Florida when 9-year-old Chris had just come off the Terminator 2 Judgment Day ride in Universal Studios, about to travel south to Key West to smash my first ever Cubano sandwich, the roast pork, salty ham, pickles, mojo sauce, copious amounts of Swiss cheese. Fuck me, what's not to love? But I fancied getting all those flavours on a pizza with my little twist in my darling, beautiful, sexy, gorgeous Roccbox. First off, mojo sauce time. This is going to be the base of the pizza. Got some little sweet peppers, chilies for the kick, and an orange. I don't really know what goes in the mojo sauce, but these are the flavours I remember the pork being marinated in. A little drizzle of olive oil. A little shake, and into the Roccbox. I want all the chilies and peppers to char. It's just going to turbocharge the flavour of the sauce. I'll get a little bit of burnt orange in there too. Wow, and in like 30 seconds, already a good char developing. Just give everything a little flip. Oh, it smells so good. If you've never tried burning an orange before, it's a sick flavour. Beautiful. Just let these cool down a bit. And it's so freezing here now. These will be cooled down in a couple of minutes, just spread them out. So what I like to do when I fire up the Roccbox, get some garlic, wrap it in foil, oil, boom, golden garlic nuggets of love. Charring these and keeping the blackened skin on just takes the mojo sauce to a whole different dimension. If you've got a blender, throw everything in a blender, whiz it up. Just cutting it with a knife, it just tastes better. Squeeze some of the orange juice in, and these roasted garlics. Now we can add some coriander. Really wish I had the blender now. And go in with a little glug of olive oil. Into a bowl. A little pinch of sea salt. Sweet paprika. Oh, beautiful colours. Wow, it's a kick too. I love it. Now then, time to pimp up the belly pork. Here I've got slices of Welsh pig belly pork, just simmered in stock and spices. Flavours like caraway, fennel, cumin, bay leaves. Just simmered for about an hour, left to chill overnight. Let's go burnt ends, hot sauce style on them. This is so simple. Cover it in your favourite hot sauce. Give it a little shake. And to get that beautiful burnt char, a bit of honey will help. Wow, it's so cold, the honey's set. And into the Roccbox. That should start to caramelise straight away. Oh, roasted pork belly. Crazy how quick stuff cooks in this Roccbox. Genius kit. Genius kit. Tom Gozney, you are a wizard. And as you might see, my Roccbox is well used, but it's a tank. It's been with me all around the country in some crazy places. Yes, these are ready. Wow. Oh, yes. So, made a bit of a mess. Wipe down, then it's pizza time. Let's go dough. Yeah, I've got a Neapolitan dough ball here, been fermenting for 72 hours. I can't tell you the recipe because my scales were dead. Done it all by eye. So if this turns out to be an amazing dough, I'll never be able to recreate it. And if it turns out shit, that's my excuse right there. So just go with your favorite recipe. I like to take my time stretching, you know. I see a lot of ferocious stretchers on the web, stretching pizzas in like 10 seconds, but I like to take my time. I got a dough stretching lesson off the master Lee Tiernan last year, and he told me just let the weight of the dough do all the work. Like the Japanese martial arts Aikido, use the energy, movement, the weight of your opponent to do all the work. And look, the beautifully stretched dough, big love, bam, Black Axeman, Gal, Lee Tiernan, yes! Now, it ain't a Cubanos pizza without American mustard, and on with a mojo sauce. Well, it's more like a salsa than a sauce. Loving those colours already. Swiss cheese. I'm just gonna hit this with loads of Gruyere. Belly pork. Filthy, naughty. And to finish off, some Parma ham. Just rip it up. You get those beautiful pockets of salty, cured ham. Roxy, go, go. It's not ready yet. Dos over. Stavio. Boom. Give it a little stretch. And in she goes. This is going to be a sick pizza, I feel it. Come on, baby! And that's what I'm looking for, the leoparding. Don't worry, cats and kittens, you don't have to call Carol Baskin thinking somebody skinned a leopard for this pizza. It's just the magic of fermentation, baby. Just storm it. Whoa. Oh, smells so good. Right, you've gotta have some pickles in the Cubanos. I'll finish off sprinkling a dill. It looks so good. And just look at that though, softer than the Japanese Zen cushion I sleep on at night. Let's get into it. Iechyd da. That burnt end pork belly, hot sauce, honey, beautiful crunch, still juicy. Pockets of salty har. Mojo sauce and the mustard base, stunning. And you know you have to have the pickle just cuts through it. And Roxy is here, smelling the pork belly. It's your pork belly. Good girl. Let's get some more Cuban flavour on the go. Monte Cristo, Cuban rum, Cubanos pizza, freezing North Wales. Big love. Lighter. Fucking hell, what the fuck? Tell that down. Life is good when you've got pizza, cigars, Cuban rum, beautiful Roccbox. It's actually keeping me warm too. Fucking hell, fucking done for that. Oh man, if that makes the final cut, I've done a cigar in the rum.